Hi, I'm Greg Lambrecht, founder and inventor of Coravin. Welcome to the Sparkling Wine by the Glass lifestyle. We designed the Coravin Sparkling Wine by the Glass system to give you the freedom to enjoy a glass of sparkling wine or champagne whenever you choose without compromise, and keep the rest of the bottle fresh and bubbly for at least 4 weeks. Let me show you how it works. The Coravin Sparkling Wine by the Glass system comes with the charger, 1 stopper, 2 Coravin Pure CO₂ capsules, and a bottle sleeve. Installing your CO₂ capsule. Start by checking the pressure indicator. If it's red, it's time to install a new Coravin Pure Sparkling CO₂ capsule. To install a capsule, slide the latch cover with the Coravin logo up. Squeeze the door latches with the arrows, which raises the access door. Press the black capsule bay release button to open the capsule bay. Insert the capsule with the black cap facing up. Close the capsule bay, and then the access door. Don't open the door latches until the pressure indicator is red again. Open and pour. First, we'll open the bottle and pour a glass like normal. When opening the bottle, cut the foil at least 2 fingers below the lip. This helps ensure a clean surface for the sparkling stopper to seal properly. Seal with the sparkling stopper. When you're done pouring a glass, raise the locking handle on the Coravin Sparkling Stopper until you can see the unlock symbol on the side. The stopper uses a 2-step locking system. The first step ensures the stopper stays secure when you're releasing pressure later on. The second step is to fully unlock the stopper. Place the stopper on the bottle, and using the palm of your hand, press the handle down firmly until the handle is fully closed. The sparkling stopper is designed to work with any sparkling wine bottle, from half bottles to standard 750s, and even most magnums. Charging with CO₂. Take the sparkling charger and press it straight down onto the stopper. Watch the status indicator go from green to red and back to green. That means the bottle is perfectly charged with CO₂. Note that you can't overcharge your bottle. Once the pressure indicator is back to green, CO₂ will stop flowing. Each CO₂ capsule will fill 7 standard bottles. Safety. Damaged or flawed wine bottles may break when pressurized. Use the provided wine bottle sleeve to reduce the risk of injury from broken glass. Pouring your next glass. When you're ready for your next glass, release the pressure on the stopper by gently tilting the stopper away from the locking handle to release the pressure. Rotate the locking handle all the way up until it clicks. Now remove the stopper and pour your next glass. Repeat the previous steps when you're finished pouring. Your wine will remain fresh for up to 4 weeks. It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy the freedom Coravin provides to enjoy sparkling wine by the glass as much as I do. Cheers.